So it's a good time to buy right now, even though the volume is dropping regarding in crypto right now, because crypto never sleep, always there is trading. But however, right now we have still the momentum is still holding up for those coin, which is with Shiba and Dogecoin. We're gonna talk about right now where the price will go, because right now is testing important level for both of them. Okay, for Shiba, we start with Shiba because right now we testing the resistance, which is that we draw before in the last video that we did around this area, which is the 0.4038. What we said, this is potential resistant. And guess what? Because right now is the holiday, we don't have kind of volume going on. That's why the price is holding up around this level of resistance. And you see what's happened? We have kind of fake out, the price went down and still holding in this triangle. Okay, let me just do it with my technical here, the last low here. You see we have a really kind of squeeze price in this triangle, and the resistance tested twice around the 0.4038. What's that mean? Right now, as I said, in holiday, a lot of people don't trade, so that's why we see the price is still holding and never sold off, you know. We're still near this resistant level, which is the 38. So by tomorrow, I expect the price will have a surge if we hold this triangle and we close above this time around 39. We see the 39. We're gonna see this time around the 0.4043 for Shiba. Okay, this is the resistant level will be tested by tomorrow. If we still hold this pattern that we do, higher lows, and we still inside the triangle. Any price hold this triangle would be perfect, and breaking the 0.4038, this will give us the momentum by tomorrow, because the volume will come up by tomorrow for sure for Shiba as well. So I will be extra careful, because if we don't hold this level, we're gonna see the price go back around the 27 or even around the 0.4021. Okay, I'm still waiting for hunting for this perfect price. If we confirmed that the short seller is still in control by tomorrow, okay, we're gonna see a test for this scenario by tomorrow, because the volume is still dropping by today. The next one we have Doge. Doge is really strong right now because we have a perfect bounce. Look how beautiful it is. First one, we have the test here around the 0.13 around the 4th of December, and from there we doing higher lows. Okay, boom, the price spike because we have the news around almost the 14th of December with Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin. Then the price went down, loaded up around the 20th of December, and the price load up again. Look how beautiful it is, because we still respect this ascending line. And again, right now we have a strong support, which is pretty close, if you want to ask me, around the 0.1854. Okay, so for Dogecoin, in order to see a price move up again and explode around the around this area, the 0.2326, we want to hold by today. As I said, today don't expect any price movement. By tomorrow in the morning, in Monday, we're gonna see a big surge in volume for a lot of coin, and for the first day after the long holidays. A lot of people don't trade right now, so tomorrow we're gonna see a big surge in buying pressure. If we just hold this level, will be perfect for tomorrow. A spike for the price to see a test, and we're gonna go on this box, okay, for a big test between the 0.21 and 0.23 for Dogecoin. I will expect price momentum change by tomorrow, so be ready for it. Don't be hesitant and have a strategy for it. And as we said here, always do alert for crypto and around the Lucrum Investing Discord channel that we have many analysts and many traders here. So we have we talked about options trading, we talk about stocks, We talked about crypto, forex, everything. Even crypto here, we have a lot of sector around crypto, alert, news, everything. So join us in Discord here, and we gonna speak money and crypto and how you trade, and in the bull market and in the bearish market. Always you can make money if you have a strategy and you know what you're doing. So without further ado, yes, you know what you do. Tomorrow be ready to hunt. So let's get ready to it. See you in the next update.